Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the OVN Drive, Delivery Driver, app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. OVN Drive is a delivery driver management app designed to help independent drivers and fleet operators streamline daily delivery operations. The app provides essential tools such as route assignments from dispatchers, delivery status updates, proof of delivery uploads, and real-time communication features. It is available on both iOS and Android and is used across various last-mile delivery networks. The app's main feature is its route and task interface. Drivers can view assigned stops, navigate using integrated mapping tools, and update each delivery with photos, signatures, and notes. OVN Drive also tracks basic trip metrics and offers messaging options for fast communication with dispatch teams. The workflow is designed to keep deliveries organized and ensure timely reporting. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its simple layout, reliable status update system, and quick proof of delivery uploads. The app helps drivers stay on schedule and reduces miscommunication with dispatchers. Its ability to handle multiple daily routes also makes it convenient for contracted delivery drivers. However, there are some drawbacks. Some users report occasional lag, slow loading of route information, or glitches with map integration depending on device performance. The app also requires strong internet connectivity for real-time updates, which may affect drivers in low-signal areas. In addition, features are mostly limited to assigned route execution. It does not offer advanced tools like earnings tracking or fuel cost logging. In summary, the OVN Drive app may be worth using if you need a straightforward tool for receiving delivery tasks, submitting proof of delivery, and communicating with dispatchers. However, if you're looking for an app with advanced driver analytics, earnings insights, or offline reliability, it might feel limited. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.